Hey guys, this is your Ajinkya Kartal. Welcome back to my channel Artistic Ajinkya. In last episode we have learned that how to shade the hairs, and in this episode we will be learning how to shade clothes and neck. For the further details of this sketch, you can check my Instagram handle, link in description. Let's start with our drawing. For the base layer of neck, I am using here HB pencil. To get smooth blending, I am using here blending stumps and makeup brush.
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on.
Texture of clothes, I am doing here cross hatching. To darken the background, I am using here charcoal powder and graphite pencils.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways.
Get dark shade of background, I am using here Artline 10B pencil.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. turns to sun rays.
Guys, if you have not checked yet the last video, then go and check it out. Link is in my description. Have learned something from this video, then please do subscribe my channel and comment down your feedback. Till then, we will see you in next video. Happy drawing.